Hello everyone, this is my review of the 8-in-1 Electric Spin Scrubber. It comes with a variety of heads. You have the large flat brush, the small flat brush, the pointed brush, the wide range brush, the sponge, the cloth, the wool cloth, and the fiber scrub you see here. Also comes with the charger, so you can charge into USB, and extensions. The heads are easy to attach, just like that. To operate, just hold on the power button for 2 seconds so it can unlock itself. And once it unlocks itself, it turns on. Automatically turns on, and you have 3 different speeds on it. You can go through the speeds just by pressing the button again, and you go up to the next level. It'll let you know which level you're on. It's 3 levels, like I said, and you can just operate it by your hand, or you can put the extensions together to give you that extra reach, which I like to do so I don't have to bend down when using it to scrub the bottom of the tub there, so it makes it a lot easier. Or if you have any other hard to reach places, so it's a pretty good handy tool. It also has voice prompts, and it automatically shuts off if you put too much pressure in it so you don't burn up the motor. So it's a great scrubber and makes it easy, especially on my back scrubbing the bottom of the tub. So I hope this review helps.